Hello viewers, welcome once again to Lorenzo Technology. Today we'll be looking at HTML styles. Now what does HTML styles mean? Now the HTML styles is the way that you can change your text, your page, which we can achieve during CSS. But since we are dealing with HTML now, we can also implement the style in our HTML. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax. It has the style equal to property colon value. So that is the style. Now if you look at these few lines of code, which you open your notepad and type, remember we explained during our introductory class the doc type HTML, which specifies the type, document type of the HTML. Now this is the opening type of the HTML, and this is the body as well. Now after body, if you look at this, the body style equal to background color equal to what? Gray. Now the body style is where we apply to change the background. Now look at the HTML background color, which we set it to be gray. Now this property defines the background color for the HTML element. For example, what we have here, we change the background to be what? The gray color. Now after this, you see this line that we have H1 style. H1 style. Now the H1 style specifies the HTML text color. Now remember that H1 stands for the headings. Now the color is what? Blue. This is the heading. Now this line of code will change this text that we have. This is the heading to what? Blue color. If you look at this place, you see H1 style equal to color blue. This is the heading. Now what we are doing, remember in our previous class, H1 is the heading, specify the heading tag, the style equal to color. Then this is the property, the color now is the property, and blue is the value. So what we are telling now is to change this, our write-up. This is the heading to color blue, and the next line is the paragraph. If you look at this, P stands for paragraph. Now our previous example, we only write P, which stands for the paragraph of the text. If you want to apply a paragraph to the text. Now but we want to also change this paragraph of the text to red, so that's why we have P style equal to color red. We specify the color of this paragraph now to be red color. Then we close the body, we also close the HTML. So after then, we go to our file, save as. Now I can call it style. Remember, when you are saving, the extension name must be .html. So you specify where you want to save it. I want to save it inside this folder, and I can change this save as type to be all files. Then I will now do what? I will now save. Okay, I will now save. Now when you save it, you go to where you save it and you open your browser. This is my browser. You open the browser. If you look at it, that few line of code give me this. This is the color, the H1 color that I specified to be the blue color, and this is the P style that I specified to be what? The red color. And this is my background color that I specified my background color to be what? Gray color.